If you want to change the app lock password on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the apps option. We're gonna go to the app lock. We need to enter our password, of course, in order to continue. The password for the app lock and that you have set up, or of course if you use the same as screen lock password, then just enter the screen lock password. Now we're gonna tap on this setting icon in the upper right corner, and then in here you should be able to find the password type. So we can go over here, and of course we can tap on privacy password in order to still use the privacy password, but you can also switch to the screen lock password if you want to do so. Now, if you actually want to stay with the privacy protection password, and if you want to change that password, then in that case, we need to actually go back to settings. Then we're gonna choose fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then in here we have a privacy protection password. So we need to enter the password in order to continue. And then over here we can change the privacy protection password. And that is pretty much it. Of course, after selecting this option, enter the same password again that you used so far, and then we can enter the new password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.